Hello everyone, welcome to this online class once again. We were discussing about atmospheric pressure and winds. So, we have discussed about the concept of air pressure. We have also discussed about the factors affecting air pressure, that is altitude, temperature, rotation of the earth. So, these are the three factors which affect the air pressure. And then we also have discussed about the distribution of pressure belts. There are four categories, that is equatorial low pressure belt, subtropical high pressure belts, subpolar low pressure belts, and polar high pressure belts. We have all discussed all these things, and we also discussed about the wind systems, that is types of winds. There are three types of winds, that is permanent winds, periodic winds, and there is local winds. Okay, this is local winds. So we have discussed about the permanent winds. Permanent winds are again further categorized into three, that is trade winds, westerlies, polar easterlies. Up to here we have discussed. Today in this video we shall discuss about periodic winds. Periodic wind means seasonal winds, that is the land and sea breezes. We will discuss separately land breeze and sea breeze. And monsoon winds. Monsoon winds are further categorized into two, that is summer monsoons and winter monsoons. So let us come to periodic winds or seasonal winds, how they are blowing and what are the factors that affect, which are the areas that they blow. So, land breeze and sea breeze. Sea breeze takes place during the daytime and land breeze takes it during night time. There is a difference, means exchange of the warm wind and the cold wind nearby the coastal areas. So sea breeze during the daytime, what happens? It causes due to the heating of the water and land. So differential heating of the sea and land during the daytime, as we know that land gets heated very fast and the sea gets heated very slow. Alright, so when there is a difference of heating sea and land, there will be sea breeze. So the wind will blow from the sea to land. This will blow from sea to land. That's why it is known as sea breeze. Right. And the land breeze takes place during the night time, and this takes place due to the cooling of the temperature. So as we know, land and sea also have difference in cooling of the temperature, means it takes different time. Land gets cooled up very fast and sea takes more time to cool up. So what happens during the night time, as land gets cooled up very fast, from land to sea wind blows. So that is known as land breeze. Alright, and this land breeze and sea breeze is confined to the coastal areas, not in the areas or interior part of the countries. Alright, so this, just read the text and go through the textbook once again. Then we have monsoon winds. Monsoon, as we know, we are familiar with that. So it is also like a sea breeze and land breeze, but on a large scale. Monsoon winds will be on a large scale. That means it will affect entire country. But the land breeze and sea breeze will be affecting only the areas of the coastal regions. But this monsoon winds affects entire South Asia. That means including all the neighboring countries of India and South Asian countries. So that is why it is known as monsoon winds. Okay, so it is again categorized into two, that is summer monsoons and winter monsoons. Summer monsoons means soon after the summer seasons, the rainfall that occurs is known as summer monsoon, also known as southwest monsoon. Alright, and these summer monsoons again after September, that means the summer monsoons are occurring in India 4 months, June, July, August, September, which all the winds have blown towards the interior part of Asia will return back during the winter season because of the drop of temperature, sudden drop of temperature, and during that time the shifting of the pressure belts toward southern hemisphere. Alright, so that's why we experience winter season. So when winter season will be there, the interior part of Asia will be having the high pressure. So as we know, the wind blows from high pressure towards the low pressure. Now the low pressure is in southern hemisphere. So what happens? The summer monsoon winds return back during the winter season, which does not bring rainfall towards all parts of India, but it brings rainfall in Tamil Nadu states, which is located eastern side of Eastern Ghats. Okay, so this winter monsoons are also known as northeast monsoon, as it blows from northeast directions. So these are the few points that we need to discuss. In the next video, we shall discuss about the local winds, and those who have written the question answers, please do send in the WhatsApp so that I can correct it and complete as soon as possible. We have one more chapter to discuss for your second term examinations. So start preparing, your exam is approaching in the month of December. All the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.